So this is how you can download anything in the App Store without needing your Apple ID password. So let's say you forgot it. Don't worry, you will still be able to use your Apple ID in downloading apps. So we're actually going to want to go to settings for this tutorial. You're going to want to scroll down until you find passcode or Face ID and passcode. So just simply type in your passcode over here and make sure you do one of these two things. The first one is setting up a passcode. If you don't already have a passcode on your phone, you're going to want to use that so you can use it in your downloads. This is for those who are using a model that is below the iPhone X. If you can't use the Face ID. But if you can use the Face ID, that'll be better. Make sure you have that turned on because if you download anything from the App Store, it's going to use your Face ID instead of your Apple ID password. So it's more secure and easier because all you have to do is look at the camera and you already have it downloaded. So yeah, those are the only two ways of doing this, and it's actually quite easy. Just simply tap on Get and then it's going to ask for your face or your passcode and you're good to go. So that's about it for this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial works or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.